स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। तो इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे हिमाचल प्रदेश इकोनॉमिक सर्वे के 11th चैप्टर के एमसीक्यूज। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट 71% ऑफ नॉमिनल जीबीए to the overall value added by the industry sector. This statement is correct. Second is manufacturing sector contributes 30% of total GB of the state. This is also correct. Third is the contribution of mining and quarrying sector in GSB at current prices has increased from 0.24% in the year 2019-20 to 0.31% in 22-23. This statement is incorrect because आपका जो शेयर है वो 0.31% से डिक्रीज होकर 0.24% हो गया है 22-23 में. Fourth is as per the advance estimates, the industry sector's GSB is expected to grow by 1.7%. This is again incorrect because it is expected to grow by 7.1%. सो आपकी जो स्टेटमेंट्स 3 और 4 है वो इनकरेक्ट है. आप एलिमिनेट कर सकते हो ऑप्शंस को. तो आपका ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर. Question number 2 is consider the following statements. Between 2011-12 to 21-22, manufacturing sector experienced lower CAGR of sub-sectoral GSB than their national counterparts. This statement is incorrect because it experienced a higher CAGR. Second is construction sector grew at a CAGR of 6%, which is 2% point higher than national average between 2011-12 to 21-22. Again, this statement is incorrect because construction sector has grown at a 6% of CAGR, but it is 2% point lower than the national average for this time period. Third is mining and quarrying sector is expected to grow at 2.2% in 22-23. This statement is correct. Fourth is CAGR of electricity, gas and water supply between 2011-12 to 21-22 was 5%, which is less than the national average. This statement is also correct because CAGR of electricity, gas and water supply for this time period at the national level is about 12%. So your statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. You can eliminate the options which contains 1 and 2. So option C is the right answer. That is 3 and 4 are the correct statements. Question number 3 is consider the following statements. First is in Himachal Pradesh in urban area 28.11% working population is employed in secondary sector, that is your Dvitiyak Kshetra. In rural areas only 25.9% working population is employed in secondary sector. This is incorrect because for urban area the data provided is correct. But for rural area it is not 25.19%, ये आपका 19.25% है. Second is 6.76% of rural women are engaged in the secondary sector. This is correct statement. Third is according to the periodic labor force survey 21-22, 20.12% of the state's working adults were employed by the industry sector. This is correct and it has increased from about 19% in 2021 periodic labor force survey. Fourth is your secondary sector provides employment to 22.85% of the state's total population. This is incorrect because आपका जो 22.85% है वो आपका tertiary sector contribute करता है and the share of secondary sector in terms of providing employment is about 19.92%. सो आपका 4th स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है. अब हम 4 वाले ऑप्शंस को एलिमिनेट करते हैं एंड 1 वाले को एलिमिनेट करते हैं. सो ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. Now question number 4, consider the following statements. First statement is Himachal Pradesh ranks second in apple production and third in almond production. Second is Himachal Pradesh contributes 53% of pharma demand in India. Third is a bulk drug park and a medical device park are being established at Nalagarh. That is bulk drug park at Nalagarh and medical device park at Haroli Unna are being established in the state. First statement here is incorrect because Himachal Pradesh ranks second in apple also and second also in almond production. So आपकी फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है. सेकंड इज हिमाचल प्रदेश कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स 53%, ये भी आपकी इनकरेक्ट है. इट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स ओनली 35% ऑफ फार्मा डिमांड्स इन इंडिया. थर्ड इज ए बल्क ड्रग पार्क. ये आपकी स्टेटमेंट बिल्कुल गलत है बिकॉज ए बल्क ड्रग पार्क इज बीइंग एस्टैब्लिश्ड एट हरोली उन्ना एंड अ मेडिकल डिवाइस पार्क इज बीइंग एस्टैब्लिश्ड एट नालागढ़. सो आपकी तीनों स्टेटमेंट्स यहाँ पर इनकरेक्ट है. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. Now question number 5. Shimla is the only city in Himachal Pradesh to be developed under Smart City Mission. The statement is incorrect because Shimla and Dharamshala are the two cities under the Smart City Mission which are being developed in the state. Second is Himachal Pradesh has the unique distinction of being net exporter of power with 100% renewable energy. This statement is correct. So आपकी first statement incorrect है and second correct है. So statement 1 is incorrect and 2 is correct. B is the right answer of question number 5. Now question number 6. Choose the correct statements. Again आपके पास दो statements है. First is the state has achieved 94.13% in the implementation of ease of doing business reform. This statement is correct. Second is Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program is being implemented in the state by Himachal Pradesh Khadi and Village Board. You should have also the idea about the Himachal Pradesh Khadi and Village Board's functions and when it was established. So आपके दोनों statements यहाँ पर सही है. तो आपका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? Both the statements 1 and 2 are correct. Option C is the right answer for question number 6. Now question number 7 is consider the following statements with reference to MSME in the state. MSME sector के बारे में आपसे पूछा गया है. तीन statements है. First is Solan has the highest number of micro industries followed by Kangra. This statement is correct. Second is Solan has the highest number of medium industries. Again आपका Solan followed by Sirmaur. This is also correct. There is no medium industry registered on Udyam portal from Kinnaur and Lahaul Spiti. आपका जो किन्नौर एंड लाहौल स्पीति है वहाँ पे एक भी इंडस्ट्री नहीं है मध्यम उद्योगों की जो भी कैटेगरी है. तो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. आपकी जो दो डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स है यहाँ पे कोई भी इंडस्ट्री रजिस्टर्ड नहीं है. और ये जो डाटा है आपका तीनों स्टेटमेंट में ये आपका उद्यम पोर्टल जो है एमएसएमई का उसी के अनुसार क्वेश्चन पूछा गया. सो आपके जो तीनों स्टेटमेंट्स हैं ऑल आर करेक्ट. सो सी इज द राइट आंसर. Now question number 8 and the last question with reference to index of industrial production. IIP आपका जो है index of industrial production. Consider the following statements. IIP in the state is being compiled on the base year 2011 and 12. This statement is correct. The general index has decreased from 235.9 to 221.9. It is 235.3%, 235.3 to 221.9 in the financial year 21-22, showing a decrease of about 6%. This statement is incorrect because the general index of IIP in the state has increased from 221.9 to 235.3 for this time period, and it has shown an increase of about 6%. So your statement 1 is correct but 2 is incorrect. So option A is the right answer for question number 8. So these were the MCQs from the chapter 11th of the Himachal Pradesh Economic Survey for this year. So stay tuned for the more updates, and these MCQs are being framed in a same pattern which HPPSC is following for your HPS exam. So thank you for watching this video.